The buttercream frosting should be a consistency where if you get the spatula and you hold it upside down, it doesn't fall off, except when you give it a little shake a little bit. This is the nice blue buttercream frosting. There you go. Yeah, so it shouldn't fall off completely straight away. You're right. Add the icing sugar, a buttercream frosting to the piping bag. Make sure the piping bag is folded halfway and that you use a spatula to add the buttercream frosting into the piping bag, because it makes it a bit neater and also easier to pipe when you take it out of the glass. Next, I try to do the piping with nozzles 2D and 2F and 2C, which are which are a bit larger than the standard nozzles. You might need a different coupler. I do it without a coupler. Here I've done circular rosettes and pom-pom blobs in 2C. This is 2D. Here is the ruffle effect buttercream icing, and above that is the circular rosette icing, and next to it is a rose coloured icing.